Hello, my name is Frank Stadelmann. I'm a product manager at Kärcher. Today I want to present you our largest battery-operated ride-on scrubber dryer, the B250R. This machine can be used in numerous areas of application. Our configuration system makes it possible to select the right machine for many cleaning tasks. With or without sweeping unit, roller or disc brush, it's up to you. The compact design enables a very small turning circle and makes cleaning in narrow areas possible. With its high-performance battery and a large water tank, the machine provides very long working sessions. The autofill function makes it easy to fill up the machine. Meanwhile, other tasks can be performed. Small dirt particles can be picked up by the R brush head. For large dirt particles, the sweeping unit is also available. Side brushes make cleaning up to edges easy and improve productivity. The eco-efficiency mode reduces the noise level of the machine, extends the running time and saves resources. The color code simplifies the use of the machine. Yellow for operation, gray for maintenance. The door system saves detergent, reduces costs, protects the environment and your personal health. The protective roof increases safety and complies with regulations. Innovation is the detail that makes life simpler. Floor cleaning was never so easy and efficient.